While driving on this beautiful off-road track, we didn't realize yet that we had damaged our car during the last days of off-road driving. Hi, I'm Valentin and I'm going to take you on an adventure through one of the last off-road areas of Europe, the Western Alps in Italy. Have fun! What I love about traveling with an off-roader is that you are always in these beautiful, lonely wilderness areas with beautiful views, no one around, and you can also sleep and cook in these areas. But now we will first go into the next off-road area. It's on the other side of the valley, so we go down the valley. When we started to go up the mountain on the other side, our back axle was shaking a lot. We started to lift the car, remove the wheel, open the brakes. Then I also realized that one of the brake pads is not on the cylinder but beside it, so I put it back in place, closed it, we continued driving. But the vibration didn't stop. We thought, shit, this trip is probably over. We started to search for a mechanic shop in the village. We told the guy in the mechanic shop our issue and he took a look at it. He said it could be the joint on the right side. He could open it, but he doesn't have the spare part. Or he could do an oil change, it could change something. It doesn't really sound like it would fix the issue, so we thought maybe we have to find a specific Suzuki Samurai, Suzuki Jimny mechanic shop that have the spare part, that know these cars specifically and they will exactly know what's going on. But we didn't find one. So then we thought, let's just go to the supermarket. On the way there, we realized that we can drive normally 80 kilometers per hour without any issues on a straight road. So the issue is only up the hill at 60 in a turn. Okay, let's just continue. We don't really have a choice. We're going back home soon anyways. And we also met our friends in the supermarket. And together with them we went into the next off-road area. When we came there was a big layer of fog on the trail, so we drive quite a while through the fog, also some lost places on the left side. But at one point the fog was gone and we were at this beautiful mountain landscape. And there was also another lost place, a tunnel through the mountain right next to the road, so we checked that out and then continued.
Aber wenn es leer ist, dann steck's gerne mal rein.
But this road was not really an off-roady road, it was just a normal gravel road. So it didn't take long till we discovered some shortcuts between the trails. We first took one, just went down, it was really steep, then on the other side up again. Was no issue, but it was quite steep. Then we continued, found another track that went left up the mountain. We first checked that out on foot. It was really steep and really long and also muddy, but in between the mud there was like a lot of stone, so we thought probably quite grippy. We decided to test the limits of our cars, hopefully not break them. I took this trail in low gear without acceleration up the hill, and after half the way through my engine was dying, so I had to push my clutch, accelerate and put it back in. After that I managed to go all the way up with no issue. It was really beautiful up there. We could have also slept there, but it was still early, so we continued. On the left, the valley appeared. The whole valley was covered in fog, so it was really beautiful. We enjoyed this beautiful view. This whole track is 40 kilometers through this whole mountain area, so pretty long.
Dankeschön. Vielen Dank.
It was getting late, so we searched for a place to sleep. We found one spot on top of a mountain. It was quite flat. You needed some ground clearance to get there. There was a fireplace, and at the beginning it was all foggy. After a couple minutes, the fog cleared up and we saw the whole valley. For me, it kind of felt like camping on top of a Norwegian fjord, because the valley was covered in fog, so it could have been the sea. We enjoyed this beautiful spot, also made a fire, because this area was not really off-roady and we wanted to do some more off-road tracks. The next day we decided to do some harder tracks again on the other side of the valley in a bit of a different area, and the next day we might have also found an even nicer spot than this one. So that's it for this one. If you're interested in the next episode, I'm going to link it here as soon as it's available. Leave a like, leave a follow, and see you next time. Bye.
Es läuft doch das Ding, ey.